Damn, what you eating? All right, song is over, guys. But look, we are at Ceviche del Queeks right here on Atlantic and Linwood.
Look, we're getting powered today. I guess I'm gay.
Damn.
We're gonna go take out the limo, have some limo. I don't know where we're going. But
Chingatelo.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
What's up, Sal? Oh man, look at that.
who got it? I don't want to hear a helicopter.
Oh yeah.
Or do you want me to go?
Man, who the hell's trying to take the limo? Whoa, we were right here hanging out earlier. I'm gonna put it in here. What's good wrong, baby? Why are you guys always shirtless? Damn, did he just beat us in the all gas, no brake? Nah, he was braking the whole way.
That was not all gas.
Nah, huh? Let's say do all gas like that. I think it's just alcohol in me right now.
Stop it.
But we gone. Oh yeah, baby, we're rolling in the limo today. She was a little thirsty, so we put up some E85. But she running A1. What's up?
Tell them where we're going.
We're going to a little me, I don't know.
Artesia Station.
RT station, yeah, right here in Gardena.
Media.
Yup. We're gonna pull up right now. We're rolling 6 deep inside the limo.
With this shit I grew up, step.
Hey, I think he'll be cool. I give him. Let's see if we have some change. I give him a roach.
I think you would take a twisted tea to roach. No, never mind. Hold on. He's about to turn on the limo. I don't think he's gonna expect this. Cool. Hey, this is regular to him. Oh, gee, look at him. Look at that beautiful view we were gonna miss out on. Stop playing. Look at that, OG.
Oh yeah, baby. OG left this window nice. We can see right through this motherfucker.
We almost put it looking dirty.
Look at that fucking lane. No! Park this motherfucker. Hey, you fucking bastard. That shit look beautiful right here, huh? Hey, I wanna head up with this Mustang right here. This shit. I forgot we got a good little windshield, baby. Aguas. Que me los llevo. What's up? Right now we chilling, bro.
Oh. Hey, I'm not gay.
Hoy, pinche rolonona.
Look at him little cheeks right there. Like, or cover up, baby, cover up. Oh, they're going back.
He's gone.
Him gone. Him gone. Good trash whack.
Good Ford. It really did. He really did go into the bushes, bro. Damn, hey, but guys, look. Cop your sticker, guys. That motherfucker look good.
No, she was tagging or no? Yeah, no.
Yeah? Hey, homegirl been rocking the front flag for a while. Look. Hey.
I think we should get a race with the limo.
Damn.
You think you'll want to race the limo?
The limo too fast for this, bro. Hey, nah. This shit so good. Hey, hold up, Auto tripping. And right here, it's not major dogs no more, it's major burgers, bro.
Beaner burgers.
Damn. Oh my God. This shit fire, huh? motherfucker. The big motherfuckers right there. Damn. That motherfucker. Hey, all right, so since the limo can't do a burnout, we can do a little two-step. What's up? We're gone.
Niggas still hating on my grind with a love back crazy. Wait a minute, if it ain't about the money, calm down. Let me